what type of blood cell is that? That is your red blood cell. This one right here is the neutrophil. This one is your lymphocytes. Which one is this one? Red dots, that is your eosinophil. So this one is the eosinophil, reduces inflammation. This one will be purplish blue dots. We call the basophil, promotes inflammation. And then which one is this? The monocyte kidney-shaped nucleus. So once this cell leaves the blood, that monocyte becomes a macrophage. So opening up this right here, red dots, eosinophil. You can see red pinkish dots, eosinophil, reduce inflammation. 3 to 5 lobe nucleus, 1, 2, 3, making that a neutrophil, responds to infections. Which one is this? What type of blood cell is this? This would be your platelet, which forms clots. What are the shapes of the granules, or what's the color? Bluish purplish. That would be your basophil, because of the bluish purplish cytoplasm dots. Red blood cell. What does the red blood cell do? Carries respiratory gases. Going back to the basophil, that's what promoted inflammation. This cell, that is kidney-shaped nucleus, very smooth cytoplasm, that is your monocyte. And then the last one is the lymphocyte with that. And last, looking at this right here, what you can do is identify the phylum terminale right here. So here is your phylum terminale, anchors the spinal cord in place, this little white line. This structure right here, what do we call this? That is the horse's tail, the cauda equina. Conus medullaris, you can't really, hard to identify on this, but it's going to be right around here. You don't need to actually know that. So just cauda equina, phylum terminale. Also, I would study up on the different types of neurons. So we had the multipolar neuron, many structures coming off of the cell body. Bipolar means 2 structures coming off of that cell body. Unipolar, pseudo-unipolar, only 1 structure coming off the cell body. When you talk about the specialized cells, so the astrocytes, looks like an asteroid, kind of a star shape. Be able to identify what the astrocyte looks like on paper, and the function to provide a blood-brain barrier. Schwann cells, be able to identify it, what it looks like, producing myelin sheath in the peripheral nervous system. Be able to identify the oligodendrocyte producing myelin in the central nervous system. And the microglial cell, be able to identify that. Sorry, not microglial, the ependymal cell, be able to identify that producing cerebral spinal fluid with that. I think that's it. A lot of info.